Lost access to your Netflix account and don't remember your email? Don't worry, you can still recover the account on your Android phone. In this quick guide, I'll show you how to get your Netflix account back even without knowing the email. Let's get started. Open a browser. Search for Netflix login help on the address bar. Open the first link saying Netflix password reset or something similar. Now, you will be directed to an interface like this. Here you will see an option called I don't remember my email or phone. Tap on it. Now this is the important part. You have to enter the first name on your Netflix account, then the last name on your Netflix account, and then the credit or debit card number you used to create that Netflix account. Once you properly give this information, you can tap the Find Account option. After this, Netflix will respond to you in 24 to 48 hours and send you a recovery email in any other associated email account. After that, you can just recover your account that way. So basically, recovering without the original email is possible, but needs proof of payment or details, or even devices. And that's all there is to it. If this video helps you get your Netflix account back, be sure to give this a like and subscribe to the channel for more Netflix tutorials and fixes. Thanks a lot for watching!